Hello, my name is Devin Malik, Forward Deployed Engineer at Athena Intelligence. Forward Deployed Engineer at Athena Intelligence. In this video, I will demo a workflow that illustrates the Athena agent's ability to get information from meetings and emails and create custom SQL queries based off of simple user text input. Let's say that I'm a data analyst for Formula One. I had a meeting today in which we discussed specific metrics to track for our races, and I also received an email about specific racers to track these metrics for. Let's have the Athena agent find these assets and the information within. I'll tell it to find the meeting recording about F1 metrics and list the metrics. Then I'll tell it to find the email about F1 racers and list the racers. In a moment, the agent will search through all the assets in my workspace, find both the meeting and the email assets, and then list the information that I've asked for within them. As you can see, it's now found the correct meeting recording asset and is now searching through the content for the metrics named within. Now it's searching for my email, and it's correctly found in my Gmail inbox, the email about F1 racers, and it's now going to list both the metrics and the racers it found in these two assets. Now I'll have it query for this information in our Formula One database. First, I'll tell it to study the structure of our Formula One catalog, so it searches in the correct areas. And I'll tell it to create and run a SQL query for just the metrics and racers for the 2024 season race results. I'll make sure to enable the SQL toolkit and give that to the agent. It's now studying the structure of the catalog to be sure to query the correct table. And on the left here, you can see it's now created a query asset in the workspace that it will use to run this query. It's now filling the code in the left and will now run this. And as you can see, it's now correctly executed this and found both the drivers, points, and fastest lap time. And in the chat terminal on the right, it is summarizing the data that it found successfully from the SQL query. This demonstrates how the Athena agent can find information from emails and meetings and run SQL queries based off of simple text that the user inputs. Thank you.